Blockchain networks can provide incredible security, transparency, and auditability. But without the right, robust monitoring system in place, adopting a permissioned blockchain for your organization may lead to unexpected risks. BlocWatch lets you manage your blockchain network by providing the analytics, reporting, and alerts to keep your blockchain implementations secure, compliant, healthy, and available. Emerging technologies like blockchain come with challenges. Is it configured correctly? Is it secure? Do we have continuous monitoring? The intuitive and powerful BlocWatch dashboard puts everything you need to manage, secure, and optimize your blockchain network right at your fingertips. The BlocWatch dashboards give you a real-time view of your blockchain network. With insights and alerts for nodes, transactions, and smart contracts, you'll be able to monitor and evaluate your blockchain's health and performance quickly and efficiently. Each area in the dashboard corresponds with a section on the left, where you can drill down for more detailed information. BlocWatch's best practices reports provide clear, color-coded recommendations to ensure that your blockchain network is configured correctly and in accordance with industry standards. You'll be notified immediately if any new or existing infrastructure is not in compliance. Under Alerts, you'll get access to our pre-configured notices based on blockchain best practices, with the ability to generate your own custom alerts. Filter by severity, date range, or other properties without ever leaving the BlocWatch interface. Clicking Nodes gives you immediate access to summary and performance data that's otherwise buried deep in the blockchain console. See nodes that have gone offline or that aren't meeting performance benchmarks. Get an overview of the total health of all of your nodes, or drill down to individual nodes to get a quick healthy or unhealthy status, or detailed performance data. The Reports section gives you an easy-to-digest summary of the makeup of your network, daily recorded transactions, and event log reports. With permissioned blockchains, unexpected changes can signal a security breach, so we generate a dedicated change report with up-to-the-minute data on the latest modifications to every aspect of your network, and everything is recorded and reported for auditing purposes. Finally, for even more granularity, the Transactions section lets you search and filter by transaction details and view individual transactions. For even more efficiency and flexibility, all BlocWatch reports have APIs available that allow you to integrate the data into your platforms. Implementing BlocWatch on your network will give you a state-of-the-art monitoring and management system that's easy to use. For more information about how BlocWatch can transform your blockchain analytics, reporting, and security, contact us today.